Greetings, wanderers and travelers alike. Today, this is going to be a narrated version of the room tour King Diamond Head Ocean View room here at the Outrigger Beachcomber Hotel in Waikiki. So today we're at the top of the top, room 2506. So without further ado, let go. So as you walk into the room here, immediately to your right, and it's just for this room in particular, you have your vanity sink, wardrobe area, plenty of towels, plenty of lighting as well. And give you some Hawaiian Tropic lotion. Additionally, got your blow dryer, extra TP, commode, and a nice size walk-in shower as well. You got some local complimentary products that you can't take with you. It is complimentary. Also across from your sink area, you have your wardrobe / more storage for your luggage. You got plenty of storage underneath for some bags, suitcases, a plethora of hangers. A plethora is a lot. Even more storage above. And in the door area here, you have additional storage, more hanging space, ironing board, iron, as well as a safe. So just in this area alone, you have plenty of storage space. All right, I'm not gonna get to the details, but there's a lot of design and cultural things that do go into the Beachcomber here in Waikiki, but that'll be in a separate moment. So also as you walk in, you don't have a large mirror, but it's large enough that you can fit in a full frame. This is your view as you walk into the room here. Cleverly done. This is a elegantly fake plant with some gel in there, but I like it. Entertainment area with plenty of drawer space here. In case you're feeling kind of homely and you want to unpack, you have a plethora of drawer space in addition to the wardrobe over there as well. You have a fridge that's on the smaller side, but it's functional. It works. You may have to take out a shelf or two depending on what you're trying to put in there, but it's enough. You even got storage, you can just put things on top. Over here you have your complimentary coffee and tea items with the hot Keurig. Below you got your ice container for the ice outside. All right. Got a little QR code here for a partnership with Maui Brewery, so you can order your food, or you can just walk over there because it's literally attached to the hotel, and go get you something on tap. Got a nice little seating area here with a table as well. And additionally, I like the bench at the end of the bed as well, so there's plenty of places to sit, even if you don't want to be lounging in bed, or if you love the housekeeping services as much as I do and you're like, I'm not going to get into bed until it's time to mess it up. Got a nice little sitting space here as well. The lamp, additional lighting, as well as reed lights attached to the headboard on both both sides of the stands of the bed, you do have power outlets and a single USB. These lamps, which I've discovered, actually rotate. So depending on how you want to use the lighting, you can gently rotate them. Right. So that gives you additional lighting perspective for the room. And then there's the view. Bear with me. You got your Lanai, your balcony area here. Now, this note will tell you that this door must be closed if you intend to keep the AC working, so keep that in mind. Don't call down to the desk and say the AC not working when the door is properly closed. Here's your sitting space. You get a couple chairs here. And then you get all the views. Like I said, we're on the 25th floor, so this is the highest floor of the hotel. Over here, all of this is literally international marketplace, right? So you have the Aloha bakery, you have strip steak right next to it. Over here you have, I think it's called Shorefire. You got Skybox, Bar Tab, Moani's over here, Herringbone. Parking garage with some Tesla EV charging that they've extended and increased the numbers in. Additional rooftop parking with 2 charge point, actually like 6 charge point stalls at the top, but there's some on the lower floors as well. Yeah, got Palolo Valley, Manoa. There's a show going on. Obviously you can hear that. We got Diamond Head in the back. All of Waikiki Beach, so very walkable and accessible. And here you have Kalakaua as well. Cheesecake Factory. Blue Note. I mean, the location is just incredible, as well as the view. So yeah, this place in general, it offers proximity, it offers accessibility. There is also parking, valet only. I don't believe there's any EV charging stations here, but yeah, tell me what you think about that. All right, so I briefly want to just kind of discuss some features of the television. When it comes to staying places, this is probably it has become one of my very important things when it comes to like how I'm utilizing my time and my space in the room. So as you can see, I'm currently on YouTube, as you probably are as well. But this, they offer what's called Chrome Connect. So you use the hotel Wi-Fi to essentially connect your device, and then you use a QR code to connect your device to that television, to this television. And then from that point, you'll be able to use the Chrome Connect symbol to essentially share your screen with whatever app that you're using to connect and watch any shows. So as you can see here, you already have like your standard television, and there's plenty of channels, and there's a lot of HD channels as well. So even if you're watching something local, there's a plethora of channels, and the quality is going to be great as well. You do have in-theater movies here that you will have to pay for, so they'll show you some things that are in theaters, as well as some things that, you know, are still around that probably high in demand that people want to watch. So these things do come at a cost. For instance, you're gonna be paying $24.99 to watch this here, The Conjuring. But if you go to anything different, like more children related, you might be paying like $4 or $5 or something like that, even though they don't last as long. They do have information that they're gonna put out about live music down at the cafe. I like live music. I've been to a couple sessions and it's been great as well. Different partnerships and offers that they have available that you can have a look at. And as I was speaking to with the Google Cast here, you go in there, It's gonna talk to you. It's gonna walk you through the whole process. I'm not gonna let it talk to you, but it's literally gonna walk you through this whole process of how to use it, how to set it up, scan the QR code, and how to use the Google Cast, this little logo here, to share whatever it is that you're gonna watch from your device to the television. It also gives you the option to set your phone up as a remote to operate the television as well. So yeah, that's that for the features of the television. I mean, you're gonna be able to see other things as far as any bills and invoices and things that you incurred while you're here. It's gonna give you information about the hotel directory. Like I mentioned, the account review. You're able to change the language to the whatever your preferred language is. Hotel directory. It's going to tell you a plethora of things about what's available on the premises, what to do, how to get around. It's going to give you time frames, especially if there's things that are changing. Like they currently have a yoga class that's going on, so it alters the pool time. So inquire about those things. Have a look while you're trying to plan things for yourself and or your family. Yeah, that's the functions of the TV. Pardon my negligence, I almost forgot to mention something. So, in addition to this JBL speaker that they do provide for you to hook up your device and listen to music to, they also have this Cirque du Soleil show here it's been here for quite a while. I've even taken my mini to it. It was a blast. It was a great time. If you've ever seen any of those shows, this one will equally not disappoint. To the best of my knowledge, I think they're definitely going to be here until December 2026. So you got time. You got time to go more than a few times. So I'm trying to go sneak to see another show on the level of my dang self. So definitely, if you're here in the area, there's a lot to do within the premises itself and just the close proximity of it. So definitely check that show out. So hope y'all got something from this room tour. I know what my favorite features of it are. What are yours? Till next time. Peace.